Changing your payout method on ProductionHub is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the ProductionHub website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have the correct username and password to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Asterisk to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in lead databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled payment information or payout methods. Click on this option to view your current payout method and available alternatives. Step 4. Update your payout method. Here you can add a new payout method or edit your existing one. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary details for your new payment option, such as bank account information or payment service details. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new payment preferences. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method on ProductionHub will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.